Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Glade game demo on your PC. Guys, first open up the any browser and just open up the Steam website, then click on the login option on the top, and here just sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then just create an account. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy process. After that, just open up the Steam, log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here Glade, and this game appear on the top. So just open up the Glade game. So once you open it, now here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart, but on the right hand side in the is game relevant to you, you will see the option to download PC demo. So just click on the option of download PC demo and you will see the option to install it. Just select the drive and then just click on the install. Now the game was added to your Steam library. Just go to your Steam library and on the left hand side just scroll down and you will see the Glade game demo. Just click on that, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.